Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at QQQ and SPY, and then we'll take a look at Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix. So, is this a turning point in the market? Why so? Well, do you see that there's this huge red candle coming in today, right? We gapped up and sold off, right? So, is this a turning point? Are we now this is a start of downtrend? Is that true? Well, let's talk about all that in this price action. And once I'll let you know that nothing is financial advice in this video. This is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm just providing my opinion here, nothing more than that. All right, so with QQ, what we have is, well, yes, we are getting this red candle, but guys, here's the thing, that on the daily interval, that structure is still bullish. I mean, as long as we are above 449, this structure, overall structure is still bullish. Yes, it's not stopping it from going lower intradays, right? Yes, this weakness is coming. And this weakness, if it turns into distribution phase and we started to see more structural break to the downside that I'll talk through as we see those, then yeah, potentially this may turn into downside. But is this one red candle sufficient enough to tell us that, oh yes, now we're gonna keep going down? No, we are not there yet. This is for now just a very nominal sell-off. We didn't even change any structure. The structure is still bullish. Any pullback, as I have been saying, if it comes to 448 as well due to this prior support, marked by my indicator, all these levels as well, right? That's just a pullback. And then we'll see the price section over there, all right? So going to the hourly interval, yeah, until then these intraday short plays may come, that's fine. Yeah, and you know, we can still head a little bit more lower, and that's the area, right? 448, and potentially that's where we'll meet now, this 200 hours moving average, right? And let's see if what happens then over there. If it starts to, you know, I do expect some rebound with 20 days moving average and 200 hours moving average, and then we'll see if it turns into distribution phase. Otherwise, since structure is still bullish, this, if it wants to continue up and up again, nothing is stopping it from doing that. Okay, just remember, structure is not bearish. This is just a cool off coming in right now, and then we'll see how price action evolves around these pivotal structural changes areas. Okay, so that's your QQQ. Let's take a look at SPY. Similarly with SPY, yes, the sell-off is coming, and I talked about in my morning video as well that, guys, as we have lost this level of 531, intraday cool-off can come to this level of 524. But that's still right now, this is just a pullback in the structure. Structure is still bullish. This is just a pullback. Can this turn into a downtrend? Well, we'll have to see. Right now, I'm not seeing any of that in the structure. What I'm seeing is that it's just a pullback right now. And accordingly, you know, take profits in the extensions, and if pullback confirms a rebound, you can try to play the rebound, and for that you have to read the price action at lower intervals as well. Cool. Let's go to the hourly intervals. So here we have SPY right at that 200 hours moving average. As if we, let's say, lose 524, it can come down to the level of 580, right? And if it rebound but fail at 527, it may reject there again and may try to sell off. But if we, let's say, for a potential reason, get above 527, that pullback is just a continuation now back again to the upside. So retest 531 is possible. So these one candle, yes, a very bearish looking scary candle, but these one candles are not sufficient enough to just, it's not that price is now just gonna go like that to the downside now. These are just the pullbacks so far. Let's see if it turns into distribution phase and then we start to head lower. But yeah, be prepared level by level. If it keeps breaking, intraday cool-offs may start coming in, but overall direction right now, it's not to the downside. Structure in its entirety, it's still a bullish structure where the price is right now. All right, let's take a look at Microsoft. Some sell-off coming at all-time highs, but I don't think that this makes it bearish. Microsoft will stay bullish as long as it's above 418. Okay, and until then, if level by level keeps breaking, yeah, you can come down to the next level, right? My day trading levels as well are there in part of my indicator, but all these significant levels are already marked by my indicator that can be used. Like for example, when you saw the break of 530 and it's falling, it came down to the next level of 425 and so forth. But as of for the structure, all in all, it's still bullish on Microsoft until at least where the price action is right now, till 480. Apple is giving us a stronger pullback or a stronger cool off, and yeah, we lost this level. If Apple wanted to continue higher up from here, this was the, I told, that's why this blue box is there, because I said that if we lose this blue box area, sell-off may come down to the $186 level. We are just getting that sell-off, and if we lose 186, you can test then 20 days moving average. Usually also what happens is that, guys, after this red candle, there could be a small green candle the next day that may come. So tomorrow we might have a dead cat bounce day as well, but Apple may little bit. Here's the thing: if Apple rebounds but it rejects under this blue box, then just be ready that it may try to cool off more. Okay, so at least on intraday side. So that's my opinion. Google. Okay, structure is bullish on Google though, but yes, since we have rejected at that level top and we are breaking to the level down to 174 and 66 cents. 20 days moving average is what you are watching, and if any cool off has to happen, that would have to happen at this well, until 20 days, and then we will see if this gives it another bounce and rebound, and if it goes into the distribution phase and weaker. But right now this is still technically a bullish structure. This is just a pullback happening, and then we will see that if we lose the level of 170 and start, because that's where the pivot and another structural area is, right? The thing is that, guys, market has always been just going up and up and up and up for so long that it's easy to just lose confidence when you just see one red day, and it's easy to say, oh, this is the end of the market. No, it's not. It's just one red day. You have had so many green days. One red pullback is fine. One red candle is not going to make like now the market is bearish. No. The structure, if structure starts to change bearish, I'll talk about it. But right now what I'm seeing is that it's just a pullback. Take profits in the extension. You can try to reload at these structural areas with the stop loss on the other side. But then if we lose the structure, and then we'll see if it start to turn bearish. I'll talk about it as if it happens. Amazon is a different story though here. Amazon is about to, as if it loses this level of 180, now it has a huge potential to come down to 171. Amazon is a little bit different. Amazon is forming this double top and is about to break this neckline. And if we lose this neckline, if we break it, there may be some deeper cool off that may be coming on Amazon. That's why I have this blue box here that I have been talking about, and maybe I would be interested as well on this short position, and stop loss somewhere up there, but we'll see. All right, let's take a look at Meta. So Meta is, there are two things here. So yes, I if you have seen my last video, I talked about, guys, if it can hold above 20 days moving average, you know, this is the long play I would like to take at the level of 466. I took that, and I already took some very little out. I'm only 50% in this position, and yeah, I'm most likely, if you know, if we lose 20 days moving average, I'll flip to the other side and go short, because then that's the structure to the downside. I provided both of these plays. Yes, Meta worked out fine a little bit, and little bit profits are taken, but then yeah, let's see if tomorrow I continue to see weakness on this, then I would like to get out as well, and then open up a short play if we break the $460 level. Meta, you might have to wait on this for a little bit longer before it gives confirmation again to the upside, or starts to cool off to the downside. Netflix, yes, red candle, but it's just a pullback, guys. Netflix is bullish as long as it's above the level of 624. Structure is bullish. Yeah, this is just a pullback. Okay, this is just a cool off happening, pullback happening. It's not bearish, just a cool off in my opinion. Alright, well, that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. Alright, bye.